Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we will discuss Biology MCQ's Part 4th. Which part of the flower does the development of pollen grain take place? Option A, stigma, B, style, C, ovary, D, anther. Correct option is D, anther. The unwinding of DNA during replication is done by option A, DNA polymerase, B, helicase, C, ligase, D, primase. Correct option is B, helicase. In RNA, the nitrogenous base thymine is replaced by option A, uracil, B, cytosine, C, adenine, D, guanine. Correct option is A, uracil. What is the lifespan of a honeybee worker? Option A, 2 to 3 months, B, 1 year, C, 6 weeks, D, 5 years. Correct option is C, 6 weeks. In organisms that reproduce through budding, the newly formed individual is genetically different from the parent. B, develops from a specialized reproductive organ. C, is a clone of the parent. D, shows characteristics of both parents. Correct option is C, is a clone of the parent. Who proposed the theory of natural selection? Option A, Lamarck, B, Darwin, C, Mendel. Correct option is B, Darwin. The hormone that triggers the release of an egg from the ovary is option A, estrogen, B, progesterone, C, oxytocin, D, luteinizing hormone. Correct option is D, luteinizing hormone. Which of the following is not a post-fertilization event? Option A, zygote formation, B, seed development, C, gamete formation, D, fruit formation. Correct option is C, gamete formation. Which of the following birth control methods is permanent? Option A, oral pills, B, condom, C, vasectomy, D, copper T. Option C is correct option, vasectomy. What is the primary function of the Sertoli cells in the testes? Option A, secretion of testosterone, B, nourishment of developing sperm, C, storage of sperm, D, transport of sperm. Correct option is B, nourishment of developing sperm. If a pure tall pea plant, capital T, is crossed with a pure dwarf pea plant, small t, what will be the genotype of F1 generation? Option A, capital T, B, small t, C, capital T, small t, and option D, capital T. Correct option is C, capital T and small t. What is the main developed advantage of using condoms over other contraceptive methods? Option A, prevention of pregnancy only, B, prevention of sexually transmitted disease. Option C, stimulation of ovulation. Option D, increase fertility. Correct option is B, prevention of sexual transmitted disease. The anticodon of a tRNA molecule paired with option A, mRNA codon, B, DNA codon, C, rRNA, D, another tRNA. Correct option is A, mRNA codon. Which of the following disorder is an example of a sex-linked recessive trait? Option A, sickle cell anemia, B, cystic fibrosis, option C, hemophilia, D, Down syndrome. Correct option is C, hemophilia. According to the Darwin, evolution occurs due to option A, use and disuse of organ, option B, natural selection, C, mutation, D, inheritance of acquired trait. Correct option is B, natural selection. Which of the following is not an example of adaptive radiation? Option A, Darwin finch, B, Australian marsupials, C, peppermint. Correct option is C, peppermint. Which of the following cells play a major role in allergic reaction? Option A, erythrocytes, B, lymphocytes, C, mast cell, D, neutron. Correct option is C, mast cell. Apiculture is the practice of option A, rearing silk moths, B, rearing honeybees, C, cultivating medicinal plant, option D, rearing fish. Correct option is B, rearing honeybees. Which of the following microbes is used for the production of citric acid? Option A, Aspergillus niger, B, Lactobacillus, C, Penicillium, D, Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Correct option is A, Aspergillus niger. The main difference between spermatogenesis and oogenesis. Option A, oogenesis produces 4 functional eggs. B, spermatogenesis begins at puberty. Oogenesis starts from birth. Option C, spermatogenesis occurs in the ovaries. D, oogenesis does not involve meiosis. Correct option is B, spermatogenesis begins at puberty. Oogenesis starts before birth. What is the primary purpose of gel electrophoresis in biotechnology? Option A, DNA replication, B, DNA separation based on size, C, protein synthesis, D, mRNA translation. Correct option is B, DNA separation based on size. Thank you for watching my videos.